A while ago, Tenor finally released Oreo update for Tenor G. Was it worth the wait or is it full of bugs? Let's see in today's video. So the first thing you're gonna notice right off the bat is the design changes. Apps now have their circular notification badges and the nav bar is a tad bit smaller than before, which makes the screen feel a bit longer. Now the notification panel is all white and the setting is a bit changed too. The volume slider too is white and it has an all new power menu which appears from right of the screen. Oreo 8.1 has adaptive colors which automatically switches to dark mode when a dark wallpaper is applied. Also, notifications are colored, which was not present in the previous build. The ambient display has also changed, which is a lot better than the Nougat's black and white ambient display. The app opening times have been significantly reduced due to Oreo's optimization. Tenor did a really commendable job in making this ROM stable, but still, some bugs did creep out. Let's see what are those. While unlocking the phone with fingerprint, it vibrates, which I didn't like at all, but still it's a matter of preference. Moving on to the speakers, which got really loud after the update, to the point where they sound distorted, and the headphone volume is so loud that it can damage your ears. Now let's come to the calculator, which now doesn't accept more than 10 digits, including the arithmetic operators. In the previous build, it accepts up to 100 digits. Well, that's it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more updates, and thanks for watching.